Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. And I have the April Cat Lady box, y'all. This is such a fun box. My cats love this box, and I love this box. It's just so much fun to open. And this is the April box, and this box starts at $34.99. And I'll have the website below for you to go check. There are no discount codes or anything, but go check it out and see if it's something you like to have. They also sell a lot of their products on their website, and then they have sales from time to time, and a lot of times on Sundays they have sales, a particular item on sale on Sunday. It's lots of fun. If you sign up for their emails, you will get their emails that tell you when their sales are, so they're just lots of fun. So let's open it up. It was sealed, and I did cut the seal, and Smudge is on the floor looking up. So when you open it, it's a little disheveled in there. I'll give you a quick peek in there, and there's a beautiful card on top. There's always a beautiful card that is in this box, and they have a featured cat lady artist. And this artist is Alina Parhomenko. Alina is an illustrator and service designer who is passionate about creating cute characters to bring coziness and warmth to kids and adults' daily lives. To see more of her works, and then you can visit her Instagram, instagram.com/DUMKART. So if anybody's interested in that website or the Instagram, let me know. And how this works is you really could frame these. They're just so cute. Look how cute that is, y'all. Super cute and wonderful for spring. And the other side has what's in the box, okay? I'm sorry, I have a lot of sinus issues from the just allergies, things are blooming here. So it also tells you about the Cat Lady Cares. Because of you, we were able to donate to these rescues last month. Golden Oldies Cat Rescue, that's a cute name. Cats of San Bernardino, Dallas to the Rescue, and the Ranch Cat Rescue. So that is because of people that have subscribed. So let's see what's in here. There is always this nice black tissue, and there's this is tore up here, so I'll show you the Cat Lady sticker. And there is always a wearable in here, so you will, when you sign up for it, you will tell them your size. And right on top I see this, so let's check this out. I see some toys. I don't know where Smudge went to. This says hisses get kisses. This is a wood block. Let's take the plastic off. It says Cat Lady Box on the back of it. It's nice wood. It's painted wood. You can see there's Cat Lady Box on the back there. You could make a shadow box out of that if you wanted to with something, or you could display it this way. Hisses get kisses. And this is Feelin' Feisty. This is the perfect reminder that love is all you need, and the value is $13.99 for this. This is really nice wood. It's, if you can see, it's like distressed wood. Very cool. And then there are the toys. Oh, they're gonna like these. This is the Bashful Bandit Raccoon catnip toy. Now, usually, always, maybe not always, but a lot of times the toys have catnip in them, and the cats like that a lot. This guy's cute. It says, raccoons often show up to eat with community cats. This is true. I see it all the time on YouTube, videos of cats being fed and then a raccoon right next to them. This cute guy wants to be your cat's friend too. Value of $4.99. He is adorable, and look at his cute tail, y'all. Bushy tail. And it has the Cat Lady tag on it. Bashful Bandit Raccoon with catnip. So that is adorable. I know that they'll like that. They love catnip, and then this is going to be something fun. Carry him by his tail. And the other toy is this. Now, this is the kind of thing that they'll like hold it and they kick at it, So this is really pretty. It's got catnip maybe right here. Maybe it's in a few spots. I'm not sure where, but it's sort of like a little stuffed animal. It's a snake, and it says Slithery Snake Cat Toy. It's a friendly, slinky, catnippy snake for your kitties to hunt and pounce. value of $4.99. And again, they have the cutest tags. Slithery snake. Okay, so I don't know where they're at. Hello, boys. And then we have, oh, this is cute. We have our wearable. And oh, there's another card in here. Isn't that pretty? Just their cards are so pretty. The next Cat Lady box is the annual Cat Mom's Day box. Cat Mom's Day. Every May we celebrate you with a special box to celebrate cat moms. So if you all have someone special in your life, you know, you might want to send them one for Mother's Day. That'd be lots of fun. Lots of fun. Now let's see what this adorable, oh, I can see what it is. This is a Peking Cats canvas bin. It's so funny because I've been wanting a bin like this that it folds down and then you can pop it up and fill it up with things, and then when you're done with it you can fold it back down again. This is so pretty. I love the colors. Okay, so I'm popping it up. It has a metal ring around the top, and then it's just a fabric that is heavier but still flexible. And look at that beautiful print. Isn't that pretty? And it has a handle here and a handle here, so you can fill it with your cat toys, your children's toys, your empties, your you know, shampoo, your conditioners, your hair dryer, whatever, things like that. And you grab it up to carry it with you, just whatever you want to hold it in. And then when you're done with it, if you're done with it, because to me it's so cute, I leave it out, you just compress it down. Just push it down and put it in a drawer or a closet for later. And that is, it says cute ear-tipped cats peek out of the pretty foliage on this pop-up bin. Did you know ear notches on cats mean they've been spayed and neutered? Value of $17.99. Yes, I did know that, but did you know that? See, look at this cat right here. Some locations, not everywhere, but some places around the US, maybe around the world also, when somebody rescues a cat, and they're good, especially if they're going to put them back out in the wild, and maybe even just if it's a shelter, like a local kind of a shelter, or like a government kind of shelter, whether it's your county or your city or your state, they'll nick their ear so that you can see when you look at them that they've been spayed or neutered, because you can tell if a boy's been neutered, you know, because his stuff is outside. But a girl's stuff is inside, so if she's been spayed and she's a couple years old, her scar may not be visible anymore, even if they shave her belly. So we have, at the vet that I work at, they have gone in because somebody gets a cat or finds a cat, and there's no chip. That's the first thing we do, is look to see if there's a chip, because then that means it belongs to someone. And you register your chip. If your pet is chipped, you register your chip with the chip company, and then that way we can find the owner if the pet is lost. But if there's no chip and somebody wants to keep the pet, then they can keep the pet, and they say, well, I need her spayed, and they'll go in. And this happened to me actually with Honeybee. If y'all remember, I got Honeybee, and she was quite old. She was 11. And we assumed she probably was spayed, but they couldn't tell by looking at her, and they shaved her belly, and they couldn't tell because by that time the scar, you know, is just gone. So, you know, my choice was, do I do surgery and find nothing in there, or wait till she goes into heat? So I chose to wait until she went into heat, and she never did. So that meant that she most likely was spayed. So because around here, we have a lot of tomcats around here that come around for the girls next door. So see that one? It clipped. Anyway, I didn't mean to spend so much time on that, y'all. Anyway, but so, you know, you learn something new every day. So, and then we have the wearable. Oh, is this adorable? Feral and Fabulous Tee. A sassy shirt that's perfect for anyone with a little catitude. And this t-shirt is valued at $22.99, and I love the color. I love purple's my favorite. And look at that beautiful t-shirt. What does it say? It says Feral and Fabulous, and she's got on her crown. Isn't that wonderful? I love that, y'all. I love that. Now, I'll try to take pictures of everything and put them on Instagram. It's not always the easiest thing because of the boys, but I usually get some pictures up on Instagram. So thank y'all for stopping by. Well, let me show you again. Smudge just came up here, so here is the adorable t-shirt. I just love that t-shirt. And Smudge, you want to see the cute toys we have? This adorable sign, hisses get kisses. And this bin, I love this bin. This is I can't say this is my favorite thing. I was gonna say that, but I can't say that because I love everything in the Cat Lady box. I really do. We love it. The boys will be playing. I'll put a video of them at the end playing or in the box or something, because here comes Smudge. All right, y'all, take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye. Did you take that from me? I didn't even get the tag off yet. I was trying to take a picture of everything, and he's taking the toys. You gonna get that? I've got to get the tags off. Oh, you got it. You got it. I don't let them play with the tags on, so, I mean, I'll just do this for filming, and then I'll get them back from him before he goes away with them. You like that? Isn't that cute? Where's the little raccoon? Whoopsie, here comes Blue. Yeah, you like that? He's awfully cute. Blue, you gonna come on over and get in the picture? Yeah, I've got to get these tags off now before y'all walk away with them, okay? Okay, good boys. Good boys. Okay, good boys. Oh, you got it. You got it. You got it. Okay, y'all, count your blessings. Bye-bye.